Hi there and welcome. Are you ready to learn English? I will speak slowly and clearly so it's easy for you to understand. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am good. And you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sana. What's your name? My name is Leo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Leo, where are you from? I am from France. Where do you live? I live in America. Wow, that's great. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How many siblings do you have? I have three siblings. Can I use your phone? Yes, you can use my phone. What is his name? His name is John. How old is your brother? My brother is 20 years old. What are you reading? I am reading a novel. What is your dream? My dream is to travel the world. How do you relax? I relax by reading a book. Can you dance? No, I can't dance. What did you eat? I ate pasta for dinner. What colour is your car? My car is blue. Do you live with your parents? Yes, I live with my parents. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. What do you do on Sundays? I play sports on Sundays. Do you have food? Yes, I have some water. What is your favourite colour? My favourite colour is red. What do you want to be? I want to become rich. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. in the morning. Do you think it will rain? It may rain. It's cloudy. Can you help me? Sure, I can help you. Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. How was your day? My day was good. old are you? I'm 21 years old. Do you like taking photos? Yes, I like taking photos. Do you smoke? No, I don't like smoking. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. Where do you work? I work in a bank. Why are you smiling? I'm smiling as I'm happy. Do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. What does your father do? He works in a bank. Do you have everything? No, I want a new phone. What do you want to drink? I would like some water. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Do you exercise? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Are you lost too? Yes, I can't find the street. Are you good at reading maps? Yes, I can read a map. Do you have money? Yes, I do have some money. Do you have do you see any lights? No, I don't see any lights. Can you climb a tree? I can try to climb the tree. Do you remember the way back? I'm not sure of the way back. Are your shoes comfortable? Yes, they are comfortable. Have you seen any animals? Yes, I saw some small birds. Can you swim? Yes, I can a little. Is your phone working? No, there is no signal here. Are you alone? No, I'm with my friend. What's your friend's name? His name is Michael. What was your friend wearing? He was wearing a yellow jacket. When is the last time you saw him? I saw him an hour ago. Can you call him? No, I don't have a signal. I can't call him. What's your dream job? My dream job is being a pilot. Can you see car lights? Yes, I see the lights.